This is my RAM TRX, and this is its massive intake. The 700 horsepower supercharged truck breathes through 2 of these tiny little filters. Today, we're getting this out, and we're putting that in. The ultimate TRX intake. All right, guys, check this out. There's a 2021 RAM TRX behind me. That is not my original TRX. Originally, I bought a 22 brand new. This one is a 21, and we got it used. First things first, let's check out under the hood on the factory intake. Now, what you can see is nothing. A huge, massive plastic cover. But you can take that off. And what you can also see now is just a big black box. But you do have a T-Rex with a raptor in its mouth, which is pretty cool.
Supercharger looks cool.
Oh. More plastic. Oh, now this is where it's at. Ooh, baby. This is a huge piece. Wow. So as you can see, what we're dealing with, hood scoop's gonna be retained. Oh my God, dude. This has to be the biggest filter I've ever seen. Look at that thing. This is a 22-inch air filter. Holy smokes, is that huge. Check that thing out. I mean, this is a huge piece. Oh, okay, so there's technically 2 scoops. You have your hood scoop, which is on your hood, obviously. And then you have an additional scoop that comes through here and kind of goes up and feeds through there, which it also retains that as well. You can see. It's pretty cool. I don't know. I've never seen one of these before. We're checking it out for the first time. It's all one piece. Okay. Look, check it out. Same sticker.
That's a 180.
Alright, so this assembly was actually super easy. All the plastic push pins come off in the front plastic cowl. That goes, and then you have your air box, the big huge box assembly, which is right there. 2 bolts in the front, and then 2 bolts on each side of the mounting brace, and then there's 2 little supports, one on that side, and then one coming off that side to the driver's side. And then that whole box just lifted straight out. Intake tube to throttle body, mass airflow sensor comes out, and then you have your PCV hose that goes over to the thing. Take a little razor blade, slit where it goes right on. It's a heat shrink plastic tube, so you have to cut it, pull it off that, there's a plastic barb right there, and then pull the whole tube out. And the whole PCV hose comes out, and they give you a new one. Parts for installation: 2 brackets, main intake tube to throttle body, new PCV hose with 2 clamps, hardware to put in the brackets, air box, and then the new plastic pieces. All right, guys, to prep the box, you have to bolt it to this back rear cross member. The supplied bolts come with the kit, self-explanatory, and then the new mounting brackets for the front side of the box mount under the bottom. So you do have to prep the box for installation. But check this out. We put the thing on there without the box to see what it looked like. Whoa. I mean, that thing is huge. Fit and finish is pretty freaking premium. So we got everything in. Everything's pretty much tight. All we're doing is putting the plastic push rivets in to hold all the plastic pieces back on. So they gave you 3 new pieces: driver's side, passenger side, and center. And they just overlap. Oh, I just knocked that piece. I mean, this is super, super secure. With that bar, I don't know what I was thinking. I thought we were ditching that bar, but we're not. We don't ditch the bar. It uses the bar. It's really, really secure. All the plastic's in, push rivets back in. We got a clear lid that I'm gonna try to not scratch. I'm gonna tell you, pulling off that covering on that plastic and that plexiglass might have been harder than the whole intake. Install. First start up. It looks good. We get all the tools. Pretty sweet. Oh. She's loud. We've arrived at the test facility. Wow, spun like crazy. Crazy spin.
There's a herd of deer over there.
Is there? Down the ball. Oh yeah. Wow. You can get in on them. All right, S&B intakes in on the TRX. The thing is absolutely sick. If you're interested in this for your truck, you're driving a TRX, hit the first link in the description, check it out. If you have any questions, post them below or shoot us an email. But other than that, we're gonna keep on driving.